Here's how you can make trades like this day in and day out. I'm going to be going through all of my EzAlgo settings as well as some of the different indicators that I use to get results like this. Now shout out SZA, he is in our premium Discord. That was a trade he took on Sol yesterday, I think on the 5-minute time frame, using levels from higher time frames. So first thing you want to do is click the first link in the description to get yourself EzAlgo, which is the best buy sell indicator on TradingView for one reason, and that reason is because of the support and resistance levels. So next thing you want to do is come up here to indicators, come down to invite only scripts, and there you will see EzAlgo V2. Now once you load this indicator in, you'll see we have a lot of stuff going on, right? We have these support and resistance levels down here with the labels identified. We also have this stop loss and take profit as well as entry. As you can see, we just had a sell signal flashing here on the 5-minute. But we're going to kind of clean this up a little bit. So we're going to go into settings and we're going to go to style and we're going to turn off the labels. Okay, we don't need labels. And we're also going to set the stop loss to 0 because we're not going to be using the stop loss for scalping this way. All right. Then we're going to turn on SR2, and in this example we're going to be using the 5-minute time frame, so we're going to be using levels from the 15-minute time frame. So now as you can see, we have these dashed lines, right? We have these dashed lines which represent the 15-minute support and resistance. As you can see, this was once a support on the 15, and you can see how well price respects these levels. We failed to hold this level as support, so that became current resistance. As you can see, this was a previous resistance that we broke through, which is now acting as support, and of course we have this support down here. You'll also see the regular support and resistance right here, which is just the support and resistance on the 5-minute time frame. So what you're going to do is combine these levels. So I could set this to a 1-hour time frame if I wanted to and get the levels from a 1 hour and use that as extra confluence, right? So as you can see, we have this 1-hour support down here. So that tells me anytime price comes to this level, we have a ton of confluence on a ton of different time frames. So I'm going to be looking for longs at around this level. And let's go up here, look for shorts at around this level. But like I said, we're going to be using the 15-minute time frame for support and resistance too. And that's all that we're going to be using for the scalping strategy. Another indicator that we're going to be using is Fu Manchu Cipher B. Under community scripts, this is a free indicator, and I use it for the divergences as extra confirmation. And besides these two indicators, that's all you really need. I keep my sensitivity at 1.5, which is a standard sensitivity. Now you can change this a little bit if you want to go down to maybe 1.3, 1.4. You can kind of play around with it yourself. I usually just use the standard 1.5 sensitivity though. But 1.4 works great as well. And the strategy is really simple, right? You're going to wait for price to come to a level, look for a swing failure pattern or a double bottom formation with a divergence. All right. So for example, price came down to the support level. We had a swing failure of this level right here. You might have missed that entry. But that's okay because we came back down, retested this level right here, giving us that double bottom formation, right? Give us that double bottom formation. So that's confirmation that, okay, we're going to enter a long right at around here, okay? Right at around here with the stop loss below previous swing low, maybe right around here. Yep, so there's this wick up here. So targeting this resistance level, if you wanted to, I probably would have taken profits right around here. All right, and same thing on the way down. Now this was not a resistance level at the time. I think this was in the middle of a range when we got this right here, and we didn't get a divergence. So honestly, I probably would not have taken that trade. But then we got another retest of this support level right here, and we had this bullish divergence on this candle, right? So if you didn't enter there, you could have entered on this next candle with the bullish divergence with a pretty tight stop loss on this one, right? A pretty tight stop loss. And also my Fu Manchu settings are a little bit customized. And then we're going to be targeting this resistance level, right? So another, 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Money flow is going into the blue, so I'm looking for longs right around here. So another perfect trade comes back up to this resistance level on the 15-minute time frame with a red dot. And it's also breaking through the trend ribbon right around here. The trend ribbon is turning from blue to red, and we see we have this swing failure of this level right here. I probably would have entered right around here after we got this red dot. We didn't get a divergence, but it hit a level that we were looking at. This was also a previous resistance level, so I saw we were breaking below this level. Enter on the confirmation of this red dot, maybe somewhere around here with your stop loss, right above this resistance level, targeting the next support level, right? Targeting this level right around here. So another winning trade, and you can just keep doing this, right? Like, it comes down to the support level again, comes down to the support level again, another swing failure, maybe set a limit order for right around here, stop loss right around here, take profit at the next resistance level somewhere around here. So that would have been a stop out trade depending on where you take profit. Now you want to be moving your stop loss to break even when you're in the trade a little bit, so probably would have been a break even trade. But the good thing about this is that a couple break even trades are totally fine, because the winning trades, the risk reward is huge. You know, again, we come down to the support level, you're just trading the levels, right? Clear swing failure right here. If you miss that entry, you can enter somewhere around here with this bullish divergence, right? With this bullish divergence, you can enter on this candle, stop loss right around here, maybe a little bit higher. Entry probably would have been right around here. Stop loss right below these candle wicks with this bullish divergence. What do you know? Next candle, there's a buy signal. Target the next resistance level. So those are my scalping settings. Real time price action. You know, price action is not looking great right now, but our users are still seeing some incredible results using this strategy, of course, with EzAlgo. If you'd like EzAlgo for yourself, hit the first link in the description. I'm actually in a trade right now myself using this strategy, and I'm up about 25%. So the strategy works. Day in, day out, our users are making incredible gains. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel for more trading content. That's it for me. I'll catch you guys next video.